Hi friends, my name is Kieran. Welcome to the room. Today I have a little comic about a dinosaur and a meteor, and we're watching season 1, episode 3 of The Leftovers, 2 boats and a helicopter. So, I was looking over the notes that I took for this last episode. Things that we've learned that we need to learn. I'm not sure if I should do the wrap-ups or like going over stuff from the episode at the beginning of the next episode or at the end of the previous one. So I'd love if you guys let me know how you feel about that. I'm still figuring out which way feels better. So we know that Wayne lost his son, and I'm assuming that is what spurred him to start doing what he's doing. But we also know that Wayne is a creep who sleeps with underage girls, and he's wanted by the FBI, and he's done a lot of bad things. Why is Christine important? So there's that. So we learned that the GR stands for the guilty remnant, and I realize that means like survivor's guilt, like they feel guilty that they're left over. They're left over. The leftovers. I mean, the survivor's guilt kind of a thing. They feel guilty about surviving the reckoning. It's not the rapture, but they feel guilty about surviving the event. Trucker is a big question because nobody seems to know who he is, but we know he's a real person who exists because Jill and her friend saw him. So he's a real person. He's not a figment of Kevin's imagination. That's what I wrote down for the last episode, and the first episode I was like, I'm intrigued, it's a little boring. This last episode was really good, and so hopefully this episode will also be good. I have to cut these episodes down a lot. I have to mute a lot of clips. So if you want a full uncut reaction, you can find that over on my Patreon. Links in the description below, along with links to my other social media. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm ready to get started. I gotta fill this voice somehow. Oh.
This is the story of a little boy.
Epiphany?
I'd say stop me if you've heard this done before, but you have, and I don't really want to be stopped. A month later, he's diagnosed with acute lymphatic leukemia. And the cancer eats away at the boy until there's almost nothing left. But he fights it. He survives, and
Oh,
now
that's
he has
interesting.
a choice to make. Does he decide? And so that little boy is asking for attention again now. For Emily. Let us pray.
That's not where I thought that was going. I thought there was going to be
Heavenly Father,
some other kind of connection going on
we
right
invite
there.
all who are burdened to come to you.
Okay.
Please.
What? Don't! What is...
That's probably not a concussion. Doctor will want to take a look at you before you can go.
Thanks.
Mrs. Amber Johnson, a local pharmacist trainee, secretly stole significant quantities of Percocet, oxycodone, and Vicodin and sold it to community college students.
I know what it says.
Amber here, she poofed.
She was a departure, yes.
So you think our assailant knew Amber?
Occupational hazard. What are you gonna do? Stop pissing people off. They need to hear the truth. Your dad understood that.
Look where that got him. Now, me and Jill living in the old man's place now. Come over tonight, I'll grill up some steaks. Do a Sunday dinner, like old times.
I still think his dad knows more, is right about more than he thinks.
Sorry.
Need help?
Emily.
A girl who was in here. Do you know what happened?
She woke up, asked for a Sprite.
She's okay.
Matt, hi, it's Jim Lewis from FDR. You're a hard man to reach. I'd really love to talk to you in person, preferably, as soon as possible. I'm here.
Epiphany. I was looking at the numbers and I was like, oh, those must be like Bible verses, but
Hey, hi, are you open?
Sure, yeah. Come in.
I don't know if you remember me. I used to come all the time.
Craig, right? McNary.
Sorry I haven't been in a while. My wife, ever since the 14th, she's not really into, you know.
Of course not. This man, Mr. Sasaki, he was a departure. And the reason I'm asking about him is, I'm sorry, I know this is personal, but did you lose anyone close to you, sir? But someone has to expose these people for who they truly were and what they truly did. Because if we can no longer separate the innocent from the guilty, everything that happened to us, all of our suffering, is meaningless.
I had a theory. At first I was like, maybe he's on to something. Because thus far, every person that he's mentioned who's done a bad thing has been a departed. We'll just use that term because that's what they're using. Has been a departed. So maybe there are people that disappeared who did bad things that we don't realize, that we wouldn't have known about. But then this man said, oh, his niece disappeared. And though the level of guilty, non-guilty, what do you want to say, with children is different, like, you know, because what's a 9-year-old going to do? Lie, shoplift, something like that. I don't know. I was a good kid, so I don't know what bad kids do. But maybe his niece was a bully. Maybe she wasn't a nice little girl. Maybe the people who have disappeared are people who are not good. Maybe he has a point, but if that's not it, and it is a mix of people who are good and bad, I kind of get what he's saying, but I don't understand the point of it, because I'm like, well, yeah, but they're gone, so I don't know. So it's not a very well thought out thought.
Get out of here! Get out of here! I have to deal with this. Get down to pit 4, there's fucking birds on the table.
Does that mean something? Was that weird for some reason? Oh, there was a pigeon on the step earlier. Here we are again.
Sorry, I don't have any in white. I know you have a job to do, but please tell Patty she's wasting your time sending you here.
This is so weird. Just gonna smoke our cigarette. Like, what does it mean? Ugh.
There's been an offer on the church.
I don't understand. You said I could stay.
I said you could stay as long as no buyers came forward. I'm sorry, man. I've been trying to tell you for at least 2 weeks now. And you always knew this could happen once.
I'm sorry. I have to take this. Hey, can I call you back? I'm in the middle of a... What? Which kind? Yeah. Okay, I'll grab some on the way home. Bye.
How is Mary?
Tell me how I can keep my church.
135,000.
Oh, all cash, 135,000. Oh, great.
End of day.
You want me to get $135,000 in a day in cash? Let me just go hold up a bank.
Am I interrupting anything?
No, I was just watching TV. Come on in.
Does Nora have money?
Is Mary okay?
She's great.
Then what?
Mom and
No,
Dad.
Matt, it's you.
Oh.
They left it to both of us.
They didn't
Oh.
leave it to anyone. They died in a fire when I was 7, and then it was given.
Oh, she's his sister.
Why do you always have to do that? What? Make me upset and then tell me not to get upset?
Okay.
You can't just knock on my door and ask for $135,000.
Who has it?
I thought the benefit money. What?
You're asking me for something? I'm asking you for something. Stop making your paper and I'll give you the money.
I can't do that.
Why not?
People need to hear the
People
truth.
need to punch you in the face.
I didn't say it was easy to hear.
Then deliver the truth in your church. That's what you're asking me for, right? Your church?
That's not what this is about.
No, it's about the accident. It's about the judge. You know what it was?
It was a test.
Okay, so if I understand this, they're siblings. Their parents died when they were children. The church belonged to their parents. She said something about a judge and he decided, like, so did he get in trouble for something? And I'm a little confused as to whether this change and all this stuff, if he was this way before the event or if after. I might have to go, you know what? Should we just go back? I'm just going to go back just a few minutes and I need to listen to this conversation again.
I just didn't know where to go.
I love you, Matt. But what you're doing, your paper, the church, it's not working anymore.
Doug was having an affair. The kid's preschool teacher. They usually did it at her apartment. But a couple of times, he brought her to the plaza in the city.
Another person doing a bad thing.
They're gone, but so much of them is still here.
So far, every single person has done something that they weren't supposed to be doing.
But you haven't let go. Because you
That's a
haven't known how.
fucking narrow grocery aisle, jeez.
Loved ones' bereavement figures allow you to say that goodbye. With as little
Who? Mary is his wife? Oh. What happened to Mary? Are we looking at the light?
Roxanna, I never would have called if it wasn't an emergency.
Nights are overtime.
Right, of course. Thank you.
Oh.
Mary's asleep upstairs. I just didn't want to leave her here on her own.
How long will you be?
3, maybe 4 hours of mourning at the latest. And when I get back, I'm going to pay you everything I owe you. All of it. Tonight included. I'll come through this time.
What is he gonna do? What is he going to do? I don't know what he saw on that image, but don't think this is gonna be good. Lori.
Kevin's dad. Your father-in-law, he left something here. For me. He said I could get it whenever I wanted.
Oh, that's a lot of money. This judge took bribes. The judge. I mean, you deserve this, KG. I hate when that happens. Pigeons.
How would you like it, sir?
And chips?
What denomination?
This doesn't seem like a good idea. Look at all that money. You're gonna go gamble it? You're gonna go gamble. How much is that? Maybe it's not as much as I think it is. 20,000. He's just, I mean, I guess it's not $135,000, but fuck, dude, don't risk and gamble away $20,000.
Would you like to bet?
Yes. On red.
He's gonna do that because pigeons.
Right there, sir.
Like, I would
Red.
do 5,000. Jeez.
40,000. Oh, shit. We got a player here.
Again, please.
40,000 on red.
I've never gambled. But so here's the thing I don't understand about gambling. He bet 20,000. He wins, he gets 40,000. He's doubled it. Now if he loses, someone would say, "Oh, now he owes him $20,000." But if he loses, he shouldn't owe them anything. They should just keep the 20,000 that he already gave them. They have 20,000. Why would losing mean he owes them additional 20,000? Unless it doesn't. But that's how it usually seems the gambling works from the time that I've watched gambling on TV. Because like I said, I've never gambled and I'm never going to. So, yeah. Go play. Please don't go wrong. I don't know how I feel about this guy, but I just don't want it to go wrong. 160,000. So he gets his church. He can pay the lady. These all have to do with those pigeons. I think about stuff like that. Like, are there moments when the universe is giving me signs and I just don't see it because I'm coming at it from a different perspective, from an inside perspective? Like in here is an outside perspective. So I was like, oh, he saw a pigeon on the step. And then there are pigeons on the roulette table. And then every time it was a different pigeon. First was one pigeon, then it was two pigeons. Then there were three pigeons on the stoplight and it was blinking red. And I'm like, it's easy to put that together. But if this were real life, I don't think I would put those things together.
Winner, chicken dinner, right?
He's not in the home free yet.
Yeah, congrats, man.
Thanks.
You were on fire. I never seen balls like that. I was trying to get my girl over there not to bet against you, but she fucking ignored me. Right?
I have
Listen, here's the thing, though. We dropped our last 100. And we gotta be in Niagara Falls in the morning, and that's at least 2 tanks of gas. So I was just wondering if maybe you could help us out, you know? Unless you're short on cash.
Dude, no! Fuck. Oh my god. Dude. I knew, just like, no, just drive away, just drive away. Just drive away. Dude. Get up, go after him. Go after him. Oh, no. Oh, bad. Oh, bad. Nope. Oh, shit. Oh, bad.
Are you okay? Huh? What'd they throw? Yes, there's been an attack. A man was hit with a rock. He's bleeding. We're on Cedar Lane and
Oh shit. And the title of the episode is Two Boats and a Helicopter. Like, I still haven't seen any connection to that.
I'm sorry, Matthew, but it's spreading.
Oh.
Please, I
Oh god. I can't get help because 911's inundated, but that's what happened to Mary.
Honey? Help me! My wife is hurt!
Need to sit down.
What time is it?
4:30.
Please, I need you to call her back. FDR, the one on Beekman, asked to speak to Jim Lewis. Tell him not to close. Tell him Matt Jameson is coming over right now.
Wait a minute, I don't know now.
You left a man dead in a, if not dead, very severely injured in a parking lot. There were cameras. I guarantee you that's going to come back and bite him. You can't give him a bloody envelope.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Here it is. All of it. In cash.
I'm sorry, Matt. It's too late.
No, you said end of day. It's only 10 minutes. I have the money. We made a deal.
Oh no. Oh no. He's been in the fucking hospital. Oh no.
You came in on Monday. This is Thursday.
Well, I know who it is. It's a GR. It's the GR, isn't it? It's the GR. That's shitty because he was nice to them. He was helping them. Matt only episode. He beat up a man. The man's either dead or severely injured. I guarantee you that's going to come back later. For no reason. Well, I mean, he didn't know it was no reason at the time, but then he ends up in a in the hospital, unconscious for 3 days. And the GR has bought out his church. The question is, why does the GR want the church? What are they going to do with it? So, I don't really know how I feel about this episode. I guess it was some interesting things. I don't understand the title, Two Boats and a Helicopter, which I thought was in reference to like being rescued. Maybe, but I don't understand what the title had anything to do with the episode. Yeah. I don't have a lot to say on this one, guys. So, I'm just going to end it here. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you liked about the episode. If there's what do you think? Is Matt a good person? Personally, I want to get back to Kevin and even Tom and what's happening with him and Christine and more about that. Because yeah. Anyway. That is all. I will see you later. Bye.